Dealers are slashing prices, making some of the best Harleys more affordable than ever. Whether you're into cruisers, baggers, or even electric bikes, there's a killer deal waiting for you. The 48 is all about stripped-down raw attitude. It's got the low-slung, aggressive bobber stance, with a peanut tank sitting high above the 1200cc Evolution V-twin. This thing isn't about comfort, it's about presence. And with 73 pound-feet of torque, it's got plenty of punch off the line. But here's the problem. Harley is moving away from air-cooled engines, pushing liquid-cooled models instead. That means dealers are desperate to move the 48 before it becomes yesterday's news. If you want a classic Sportster with real muscle, now's the time to grab one before they disappear. Few motorcycles have as much legendary status as the Fat Boy. It's the Arnold Schwarzenegger of cruisers, bold, solid, and unmistakable. The Milwaukee 8 114 engine pumps out 119 pound-feet of torque, giving you instant pull whenever you twist the throttle. And those solid disc wheels, iconic. But as cool as the Fat Boy is, Harley's lineup has shifted toward more performance-oriented models, like the Lowrider ST and Sport Glide. That means Fat Boys are stacking up in dealer lots, and prices are dropping fast. If you've ever wanted one, this is the moment to buy. This is not your granddad's Sportster. The Sportster S is a whole new breed, packing a 1250cc Revolution Max engine that cranks out 121 horsepower, more than double the power of the old air-cooled models. This bike is fast, aggressive, and built for riders who want a Harley with serious performance. But that's also why it's not selling well. Traditional Harley fans aren't ready for a high-revving, liquid-cooled Sportster, so dealers are stuck with inventory they can't move. Massive discounts are happening right now, and if you want a Harley that's got the soul of a sports bike, the Sportster S is a steal. The Heritage Classic is for riders who love that vintage Harley look, but want modern comfort and power. The Milwaukee 8 114 engine gives it plenty of muscle, while the detachable windshield and leather saddlebags make it perfect for long-haul cruising. However, Harley's own baggers like the Street Glide and Road King have overshadowed it, leaving dealers with more Heritage Classics than they can sell. If you want a cruiser that's got classic charm and road trip capability, you can grab one at a serious discount. The Road Glide Special is built to eat up miles. That shark nose fairing is more than just a cool design. It cuts through wind like a knife, making highway rides smooth and effortless. And with the Milwaukee 8 114 or 117 engine, it's got the power to match its road presence. But with Harley launching new CVO models and even the Road Glide 3 Trike, older versions aren't selling as fast. That means deep discounts. We're talking up to $4,000 off MSRP at some dealerships. If you want a premium bagger without the premium price, now's your chance. This is one of the coolest performance cruisers Harley has ever made. It's got the West Coast Club-style fairing, a Milwaukee 8 117 engine, and a lightweight chassis that makes it more agile than most Harleys. With 125 pound-feet of torque, it's got the kind of pull that makes every twist of the throttle addictive. But here's the thing. While performance-oriented riders love it, most Harley buyers still want big touring bikes. As a result, dealers have more lowrider STs than they can sell, and that means big price drops. If you've been waiting for a performance cruiser that can actually handle, this is the moment to buy. Harley took a huge risk when they built the Pan America 1250, a fully fledged adventure bike designed to compete with BMW and KTM, and they actually pulled it off. The thing is fast, versatile, and loaded with tech. The 1252cc Revolution Max engine cranks out 150 horsepower, and the adaptive ride height suspension automatically lowers at stops for easy handling. So, why is it struggling? Because most Harley riders still want baggers and cruisers, not ADV bikes. That means dealers have way too much sitting on showroom floors. If you want an adventure bike that's actually American-made, this is your chance to grab one at a massive discount. This is hands down the fastest Harley ever made. The LiveWire One delivers 105 horsepower and 86 pound-feet of torque instantly. No gears, no clutch, just pure electric acceleration. it does 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, making it quicker than almost every gas-powered Harley ever built. But here's the problem. Harley riders love their V-twins, and most aren't ready to go electric. This means live wires are gathering dust in showrooms, and dealers are slashing prices hard, some by as much as 50%. If you want a futuristic Harley that's faster, smoother, and nearly silent, this is your golden opportunity. These bikes are built to dominate the road, but with sales slowing down, dealers are practically giving them away. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more motorcycle content. Ride safe, and we'll see you next time.